Today we are going to have another competition, and that is the spelling bee competition. We have got one-on-one teams, right? One-on-one, right? Ready? And this is going to be a unique kind of competition. Yes. We got our Zs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's begin it formally. This is Said house. This is Tala house. And this is Zubair house. One representative from each house. So without any further ado, let's get started. The word is from Said house. Even if all of the house is not here, but the house member is over here. Right. Your word is altruism. Altruism. I am afraid you have got a teeny weeny mistake, and this is wrong. Yes. And we have got the whole talent of Tala house over here, mashallah. So he will be given a question. Your word is anthracite. A-N-T-H-R-A. Go on. S-I-D. Once again, there is a teeny weeny mistake, and that is he said S instead of C. And the answer is surely W-R-O-N-G. The word for Zubair team is audacious. I am sorry, your answer is wrong. Said house. Said house, make dua, okay? In your heart. The whole of Said house. Make dua in your heart that your member get the answer correct. Your word is abrasion. A-B-R-A-S-I-O-N. And mashallah, your answer is correct. Talha house, right? Your word is abhorrent. A-B-H-O-R-R-E-N. Did you make dua, boys? Talha house? They didn't make any dua, and I'm afraid your answer cannot be wrong. Your word is abnegation. Yeah. G-N-E-I. Mashallah, your answer is correctly correct. Your word is abscond. I'm afraid the way you answer is wrong, but your answer is correct. Okay, don't just answer directly. First, you should ask me. Just make sure. Satisfy yourself whether it is the same word I know, or is it another word. For that you can ask the meaning, right? You can ask the sentence, you can ask for the pronunciation again. Got it? Mashallah. Now Tala house. Tala house, is your heart beating fast, palpitating? Right. Okay. Now Tala house, are you making dua? Yeah. Okay. The word is acclimatize. I'm afraid he won't get any point. Uzaifa, Sadaqat, I mean the whole of Zubair house is standing here. Our word is aqueous. And the answer is wrong. Said house. Right? The word for you is Barnacle. Barnacle. Yeah, Barnacle. I'm afraid the answer is wrong. Right. Yes. This team can answer. Let him give a chance. Yes.
Barnacle.
Yes, the answer is correct. Your word is balsam. Your word is balsam. I'm afraid the whole Zubair house could not answer. One of the house has been knocked out. And you know that. Who is that house? Now, we have got Said house in Tala house. 1-on-1, right? Said house. Said house, raise your hands. Right. Zubair house, Tala house, raise your hand. Support your team, okay? Right. Now you have to show your support, okay? Say mashallah, subhanallah. Okay, so audience, ready audience?
Yeah.
The word is biscuit. Okay, Mustafa will answer. Biscuit. You brought tea but you didn't bring biscuit, okay? You just brought tea but you didn't bring biscuit. The answer is correct, but because he didn't bring it, the answer can be, okay, let's say it's right. 10 points for Mustafa. Right. Audience, are you ready? Okay. The word is butterfly. What's his name? Rizwan. Rizwan will answer. Yes, butterfly. MashaAllah. Congratulations, Rizwan. 10 points. The word is bouquet. Yes, loudly. Bouquet. Okay, the last word from the audience, okay? The word is breathe. Bilal Liaqat. You corrected it for the second time, but it's okay. You will be given 5 points. Said house. The word is Bedouin. Bedouin. That's right. The word is beneficial. The word is correct. Now, this is the final, crucial, critical moment, right? Okay. Zubair, Tala house. Yeah, are you praying? Are you making dua? Okay. Yeah. Are you ready? You don't feel nervous, right? You don't feel nervous? You're okay? Right. Okay, right. Your word is bankruptcy. The answer is correct. MashaAllah. So whatever happens, it will be the last question. Okay? The word is Babbler. Babbler. I'm afraid the answer is wrong. Yes. And the answer is correct. So who is the winner? Tala house is the winner. And thanks to all the teachers. They are the hard-working teachers. They are very noble teachers. I can't thank them enough. All of them are having their own capabilities, abilities, and I can't have words for them. Okay?
कमाल ये है, 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 कमाल ये